Yo guys, so today is the day. Today's a very big day. I'm going to be heading down to Belfast here in Northern Ireland to pick up a brand new watch. You can probably already tell by the title, it is a Rolex. I've never bought a Rolex in my life. So this will be the first one, and I thought I should vlog the trip so I can, look back on this when I'm older. It's crazy to see how far you can actually go if you just put your head down and work at something. I just thought I might as well. Went on the waiting list recently, got the call, and we're heading down right now. So let's go. First of January for 24.
So the date is on it. You want to write it?
No, you can.
Some people like to write
Yeah,
that.
no.
Just make sure I got 24.
So as you can see from those few clips, I've already went ahead and went down to Lund's, pick up the watch, and I just thought I might as well come back and do a quick unboxing. Just for those guys that, have never seen one of these being unboxed before, maybe, it's a bit of motivation for yourself, because at the end of the day, a nice watch is just one of those things that, every guy, most people, it's sort of their goal, especially a Rolex. It's kind of like a life goal for a lot of people. So I'm extremely blessed to be able to pick one of these up at 20 years old. So let's go ahead and unbox this. So you got the white box, got the white outer box, and then we got the green Rolex box. Everyone's sort of seen these before, how they look. There we go, and careful it doesn't fall out. So there we go. Got the watch in there. I'll do a close up again in a second. So let's pop this out. And there we go. We got the Rolex tag and also the spare links as well underneath, just for, adding in links, removing links, whatever you want to do. Back here we got the warranty stuff as well. So this exact model right here, this is the Submariner. It's the Bluesy, the reference number for the watch people in here. It's the 126613LB. So it's a Bluesy with the 18 karat gold right there, as you can see. Submariner clicks, as you can see. So yeah, I mean, that's a Submariner. It's a diver's watch. I doubt many people would be actually diving with these things these days, but we'll pop it on, and yeah, it's actually crazy. It's so different seeing one of these online, those sort of guru videos and TikTok and everything. We see everyone flashing the Rolexes and everything. It's completely different once you actually get to try one of these on. It's like you actually get to appreciate the craftsmanship and everything. You just know how great quality it is. What amount of actually effort has went into this, and it's pretty sturdy diver's watch. You got the clasp there to make sure it stays on your wrist. And this is the date model as well, so as you can see the model and everything. We also got a few other nice things. So we obviously had to pick up one of the Rolex magazines. It's just sort of the magazine. You'll see these if you go into any AD. They should have some of these, just sort of goes over some of the models and everything that they brought out this year. We also got a few cool gifts that I will show you now in just a second. So the first one is this jacket right here. It is a jacket. As you can see, we got the Crown logo on there, and we got the Rolex tag and everything. I'll actually try this on. So there we go. It's a pretty nice jacket. It's more of a winter jacket. Keeps you nice and warm. Good quality on this as well. We also got sort of like a multi, comes in a nice Rolex green sort of pouch right here. But it's pretty much an all-in-one tool. I'm not going to pop out everything. Yeah, we got a nice all-in-one multi-purpose tool right here. Pretty nice gift from Rolex. So like I said at the start of this video, I just sort of decided to vlog this to, look back on it someday, a few years down the line when I'm, much further ahead in everything I'm doing. But it's actually crazy what you can achieve in such a short amount of time if you just dedicate yourself wholly to something. If it's like the only thing in your mind all the time, and it's always something that you're working at, and it's just one of those things that, you don't really see any other option but to succeed, your dreams will come true. And I'm sort of living proof of that right here. Obviously, I'm nowhere near where I want to be just yet, but the fact that a 20-year-old has been able to achieve something that a a lot of other people don't really get to achieve in their lifetime. So I'm extremely, extremely blessed. And if you've never seen me before, check out some of my other videos, which will show you how I've actually been able to, you know, get my hands on one of these. I run a software company called Growth Rate. We work with businesses all around the globe. We provide a simple software SaaS solution, so we're able to keep track of all our market and everything. This video isn't to, you know, pitch anything or go over any of this stuff. If you do want to figure out exactly what I do and just see a bit more of my content, I'm going to drop my Instagram link down below in the description. Just drop me a follow, check out some of my content, and yeah, you'll be able to see the exact business model that has taken me from literally zero, a complete beginner, to over 15,000 every single month. So it's actually pretty crazy what you can achieve. I know I've already said this, but yeah, you know, keep working at your dreams, because at the end of the day, no one else is going to put the work in apart from you. So you're the only person that's going to make it work. So you might as well just give it your all. And then a few months down the line, you'll be able to cop yourself one of these. So let's just do a nice little close up. You can't really see the blue on this, just the way the lighting and everything is right now. You can't really see the two-tone blue right there, but you can see the gold, all that good stuff. It's actually such an amazing, it's such a stunning watch. You just sort of have to see one for yourself in person, you know. So thank you so much for tuning into today's video. Like I said, if you want to find out a bit more about what I do, follow along on the entire journey, drop me a follow over on Instagram. You can send me over a message. You can ask any questions whatsoever. It'd be also much appreciated if you could drop a like in this video and subscribe if you can. It just helps me get myself out there a bit more, and it just helps with the algorithm itself. Thank you so much for tuning into today's video, and I'll see you in the next one.